Hello everybody, and hope you're having a great day. For this video, I'm going to show you how to set up active countries. So active countries on your store are available to your customers for billing and shipping to those specific countries. So to set up active countries, from your dashboard, go to the bottom left to Settings, and then Store Information. Now underneath Store Information, click on Active Countries. If your country has a blue check mark underneath the Show column, that means it is appearing on your store. If you'd like to hide a specific country, click on the checkbox next to it, then go to the top right hand corner of the screen to More Actions, and then Hide Selected. If the country has a red X in the Show column, that means it should not appear on your store. So if we refresh, we notice the United States no longer appears in our countries list. If we'd like to unhide the country, select the checkbox again, go to the top right to More Actions, and then Unhide Selected. If you'd like to hide countries in bulk, then click on the checkbox to the left of Country, and it will select everything. Then you can individually select which countries you'd like to show. Then go to top right, More Actions, Hide Selected. Now if we refresh, we should only see the 3 countries that we left unhidden.